Absa for entertainment critic Bongo Ideas was I so akan ho biem e social media. Na we no woni yenuanom enkramofo enenya ne gidigide no kopiem e social media e honum ehruye pa. Bongo Ideas abeka ensem bi ne nsem no bekan no ankoye enkramofo de ntene no omonso etutu bi e mane Bongo Ideas e mu threat na no e do so maboabo na me de ebremu. Na se de nim se Bongo Ideas ono de social media no teso no se we obi bi picture bi na obetwa wo jiri picture bi na be posti anasa asem bi ba bedane arehosem no ni opinion no de beba no for pina fa na saya na ohyeda otimi e kan nsem bi de fo bi ho na nipa no wodi areho e wonimu chese oye bully e social media no so nte yade a wondo boni de obia edinim no na Bongo Ideas nsem wa beka no kirem se ubagan ha se ya na se wo hwemu din ye pa na se mo beka no kra boni a mu odubi e bekoso na se wudie be say am Roberts for akobo bi tuo ebi makodi ewu obi akowie obi ade chese niam emu orema wote ayayam hyehye no ubekum beduedu mu e beche suspect na beba beto dwa no na sabe enkramofo dodo na no mudin ewom anaso mo mbedi sa abone na emu fa enkramofo ode nsem we beto dwa na wo kirem se enti na wo se timi fx zongo sahodo ayewo e wo Ghana se na sa de no eya akoso dodo eya enkramofo sunu omo ban to mo hwe na mo sesa enfri sa ne ye no eho na nsem Bongo Ideas beka ye ene ankoye enkramofo de se say de ehonum ene ode aba na wo ya trade e tronti no o kasa onhwe ne ho ye ene messages ene comment de enkramofo no so mo de ben na Bongo Ideas and some part of betray ye den nsem nyina ba no say Amechumesi police na eguso aye kan ho asem aye kumase adum police no timi kobo ne girlfriend din de maadwoa etua na waye wanted as say finally police for etumi ache no na koda ne enkomo bi eguso aye koso social media hwehwemu guso aye koso maadwoa family so tini so grant interview e make sure say maadwoa ebenya justice bi de amani woni tabra Bongo Ideas post aye Ahmed ne picture wo ne Twitter page so no say de ne din abadada say Amechumesi na no reaction on the buyer akofa nso nyina de aba na mekoso na makan nsem Bongo Ideas e try the for police ne ho e de ama na reaction on the aba akoka enkramofo say Amechumesi, if you observe critically, usually most suspects of most heinous crimes either bear Muslim or Islamic names and was signed by BM say there is always a Muslim in the mix, which sorely suggests that something is fundamentally wrong. One fans who are signed so at was away crampo there, ocean and next post to make it ya now or 2 miraculous and you say be a summer walk no or boom cramophone thing or go many more asanas or can be a keke that so or can make a series of posts and the pictures be better to one ma a year and one fire chum my deep bonnet a bit more a dear we been so a we are dear our deep proving home so when you know Modino and a share a Leah would do woman and it is a dimbe bro provis so munino a cramophone another caption so the mass pictures were saying fix the zongos, fix the mindset, fix teachings, fix the leadership, fix yourself, check the thread, check the names, check the crimes where any Bongo Ideas ne last post to make it about enkramofo say e ba ne boni bi emu odu boni aye wudie boni bi e dem hye bagan ha say no e fa e enkramofo na say fa din no obeduedum na e enkramofo din to no de yade bi a e ha adwen enti no mo hye no mo fixing ye especially zongos leaders no mo teachings no omo church mo ye say de be mo kwa abonten na mo kodi boni say bi enti Bongo Ideas na tweet to make it eniem now this are tweet by penankrofo say na Bongo say dear sa na edru ignite Ghana ha say na say manfo binum akodi ewa manfo binum akodi boni e kyerese nkramofo nko a ne dis aboni e wo Ghana ha say na ene wo hwem krampa twumesi na so Ahmed ne din so no twumesi no eno so nkramodin anase no de wonka bibia emfa ho ene comment no amanfo start e de ba bebre na so attack Bongo Ideas attack ni mo so ebim e defend ne say wo hwe de nsem Bongo Ideas e kana wo de wani to form na de waso to form de items ampa no kra bi ewom na comment ankramofo no binom de aba no ansa na mekoso na makenkan mo bi de ama na mekanfo J&J Hope Digital online business e de ama ene na ibe de dance say online digital marketing no bia de ho ewramu enti wo ba bia na person so yen tro kwa befa so be business online no wonya ska e de free ma Mr. for numbers na go screen so test or WhatsApp and so fra and pen for ebeje wo fel so kama we ska sem bia nim sa de hia ne so wo phone wo laptop na access to internet. Your coaches and mentors on guide or kama na omo de wo afa training na training no where to me abe grow business na that she be ni honum kwana inchima etimi ababeto so e the amount numbers no and a gu e was screen so betumi afre na ne mpanifo e di enkomo. One is away by was saying, I can appreciate unique and unconventional opinions, but in your effort to assert yourself, be mindful not to needless offend or provoke a group of people who share a common faith. Another is answered by say, Chumesi is what Jai Jimmy, not just also at the warning, Emma Bongo Ideas say, Obe to me, I can be announced a group of people who believe in Nyame Bakwe Allah dear, want to me inform in when a comment in Medicanka, Obia a trend drink from a phone book for Giddy pa, or Moti Bongo Ideas. One is away, answered by saying, not all people bearing Islamic names are practicing Muslims. Bear that in mind. A lot of Northerners have such names, but they are not practicing names. And after one is a so then a response by Sam. Last, when they criticize Christians, you say Muslims were singing Hosanna, and now that he has spilled out the truth, you are ranting. Those who are warning him, you are all hypocrites. Are Muslims better or special than any other religious group? Are Muslims untouchable? Not just on any opinion and or they abano. One is on no HM say you Mohoma and Kramudino Edomudin so and Obehu Lillian Amedunia Diade. Now soon Omon practice Islam sumna na say Omonya in Kramofo. Now say Dino Edomosuke Bimu Krampo ewa Muslim now so mokwa sorry and it's a Bongo Ideas and make your opinion piece of so to me share two side and some are passing a comment. Another is answer the other by no make sure muda mama no or say and saying I Bongo Ideas beka I sorry for and I say Christians are some no now Muslims for any brain and the Bongo Ideas say come no quite so no true do into munjin to no munja one and I can see or modema Bongo Ideas. Another comment by me picky on also saying, oh dear Albert Night Hider or whatever your name is, don't be the cause of your own tribulations. Stop the unnecessary attack and criticism on Islam, for they will come for you. And I will also say, apparently this man is an Akan whose family converted into Islam. There is no records as to whether he is a true Muslim or practice. There are even Christians with Muslim names who don't have a clue what Islam is all about. Be careful in your statement as you can be sued. Ono so ne dear and no munyina hrem say attack na Bongo Ideas start attacking Muslims no on hwe ye pa na de watia no ehonum tresan say Muslims here o kon ma na waka community ni nyina. Now one is a so last comment on the Bible was saying be careful because where you are going is slippery. Remember, Zongo people will eliminate you simple if you try to criticize them. Be careful, be careful. Rest in peace in advance. Not just on dear. When you Bongo Ideas say your man rest in peace. Say baby, wakwa kano one share ye no one share na namoso ye dear ne china be better sorry no. Yes, oh Bongo Ideas sabi wa ye media. Way any commenter start a generator on social media. Maybe be a brand when I said them cremo for threaten no. They be most any yard no. After say Bongo Ideas we kiss our post we no. One share that Emeka be for say be next time no kind no. Wonu ne ho watwa sign and I say upon macho now so cremo no or move well friend che be no break your fast or me or Ramadan come na chese we so be boom there na e de ni bre and abagan ha say na chese and some free Bongo Ideas honum aye ba me de bi abramo no na no chi no and sensem bi so ebo ba e social media who be ekoso e Instagram blog and din edit those called celebs what is some be abetudwa atwen Ghana for be na adwen essay Fada Dickson and yankasa ye Empress Mcbrown omo issues bia I started no so e trendy e social media ya before say Mcbrown ekoye adwuma ewo UTV finally say bi okoye United Showbiz host no na ne Mcbrown kitchen ya dia na oye ewo UTV na and every Sunday bia no mo premiere ewo honom say the be ewo fie na so to me show YouTuber also be to me ahwe bi ewo so na no na manebo hrem say last Sunday ye twa me show no omanyi ewo UTV for the first time omanyi today na ekoso ye nanim say Mcbrown so every UTV as I say one media general TV for ekoye many program crampon enche bia obe start aye ewo honom enti free no honom no eno entina Fada Dickson a stop program and I say mpone time and so e won chemu ewo honom en sembebre na and those call celebs etro na some not the buy no same. Allegedly, Mcbrown took her show to the UTV before she was even employed for United Showbiz. That means she has been paying for it, which is not free, as most of the people think. Allegedly, she called Fada Dickson on the phone last week when she realized that her show has been cancelled from the TV without any notice. Fada declined her call. She called several times to no avail. She called the marketing and communication team as well. Definitely, Era is gonna get hurt over it. My people, be sincere in this. So, when Era was quitting her show, she didn't inform anyone. We all woke up to see her on Onuya dancing. Do you think the UTV too owed her any notification on the cancellation of her show last week? She paid for it the same way she too was being paid for her show. It's Atikatika movement and now where any and some of those celebs at the buyer would say Mcbrown realizes saying show no ya cancel no every UTV and no friend Fada Dickson and probably now so father and receiving a call or also from management team be more communication team no nyina omo nyina so o man ka bibia answering nti the father aye no e kire say Mcbrown e kwa wan kan kire bia ne ho pay back and amode aya ma na we no afei e na beto dwede ni ebedi a kire ehun no kure bia wom anasa sign na e ko ne nyina ba ye be sign so e de abrem boko nti na bia na wonte ya na tse de e ko so e wo Fada Dickson ene Mcbrown temenu bi e na mede abrem na so na meto amensam no so e de ma na me kan for lip tomato mess e de ama we ye waduane say jollof bi na we ye granite soup light soup stew papa bi e na we ye e wo fia na so wo no aton mamanfo abedi bi na yo modam de bi o mabadia e lip tomato mess e na me kan for de ama kwa market akasa oto lip unyanya bia fa kwa waduane no na wan kasa abedi ho dance e de ama me omo numbers e go screen so betumi afre de do bi a wo pay to say wo ton anasa wo to agu fie no nya frepe penefo no bedin san wo so kama and some way and a trendy on social media me bi abramo na bongo ideas de ni ebedi a chire de bebe bia no mesan so e da ba besom me din ene ka chire na akosia makram
tomato mix na bodi area I don't want to leave tomato mix in Ghana. Yanko.
Oh, this is what I called Adriana.
Secret nani LEAP. Lip. Someone who say lip tomato mix there. It was superb and palatable taste. No soup, so there were large and small sizes for chop bars, restaurants, and if you.
This advert is FDA approved.